Hello, everyone. In today's speech, I'll be teaching you basic math, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which are all important and useful for your daily life. I will be showing you how to use this math to create a monthly budget. Budgeting is an important thing to learn because the sooner you learn it, the easier life will be. We're going to start off with a story. Our character name is Jim. He lives in Los Angeles and he's freshly out of college. As you can tell, he is a waiter at a nice restaurant, but is only working at minimum wage at $15 an hour. He is working 40 hours a week and his job has benefits. Jim is trying to save up for a $7,000 car. Monthly, he earns $2,400 a month before taxes, and after taxes, he earns $2,100. Jim is trying to figure out and create a personal budget. This speech will answer the questions: what percentage of Jim's monthly income can he afford to save each month? And can he afford to get the car in 18 months? So what is a budget? A budget is a financial plan for a defined period. People often use these to help them keep track of their money, help them control it, and keep track of their spending. I will be using this term throughout the speech. You might ask, why are they important? They are important because they enable you to understand your relationship with money. They also help you save enough for the future, get or stay out of debt, and relieve stress. To find the answers to the questions, we'll be using percentages, decimals, and again, basic math. On Jim's budget, he lists some of his monthly expenses for necessary things, such as food, rent, cell phone bills, internet bills, utilities such as water and electricity, and insurance. Monthly, Jim spends $640 a month, such as groceries and eating out. His rent for a small pot apartment is $700. His water bills his utilities such as water and electricity is $120, and his cell phone plan is only $15. Monthly, his internet bills is $35, and his renter's insurance is $15. So what is his monthly expenses? If you add them all up, they would add to $1,525 a month. He also lists some unnecessary expenses for entertainment and other personal hygiene. He pays $12 a month on Netflix, and for his personal spending, he has $30. Jim is trying to spend the least amount of money as possible to ensure that he can get his car in 18 months. If you add that together, it should equal to $42. To answer the initial question, we first have to add up his total expenses. If we do that, we should get $1,544. Then we have to subtract his monthly income, $2,100 as seen on the budget here, by his expenses, $1,544. Once we do that, it should equal to $556 left over. If we divide $556, we will get $556 by $2,100, we will get 0.26. In order to turn this into a percentage, we have to multiply that by 100. Once you do that, we will get 26 or 26%. How I got this is whenever you're multiplying by 100, you're basically adding 2 zeros, or if it's a decimal, you move it over to the left 2 times. This means that $556 is 26% of his monthly income. This is how much he can afford to save of his monthly income each month. Okay. Jim can't afford the car in 18 months because if we multiply 18 by $556, we will get $10,008. That is more than enough to save for the car. Since that is more than enough, Jim decides to save a little less because he wouldn't have enough money for other things that he wants. Because of this, he chooses to split his $556 and save only $389 for the car and $197 for discretionary spending. Here, Jim will be saving 18.5% of his income. Here's why. If you divide $389 by $2,100, you would get 0.185. If you multiply that by 100, you should get 18.5%. That is how much he'll be saving. That's the percentage he'll be saving each month. Jim will also be affording the car in 18 months because 18 months times $389 will be $7,002. That is more. That's also enough to get the car. Jim's budget helped him manage his money and helped him afford his car. In this speech, we used basic math, worked with percentages and decimals, and we answered the questions: what percentage of Jim's monthly income can he afford to save each month? And can he afford to get the car in 18 months? This speech showed you how to use math in real life and make a budget and explain why they're essential to have. If you feel like doing homework, you can answer the question below. If Jim lives at home with his parents, meaning he has less expenses, using the budget you learned today, calculate what percentage of his income can he save and how many months does it take to buy his car. Thank you.